So today we will talk about the Samsung Galaxy Notes. If you didn't watch the Samsung events yesterday, maybe you should take a look at that. It's super simple. It's only like the Samsung Galaxy FE, Samsung Galaxy FE, the earbuds, the Samsung S20, S11 Ultra tablet, the S10 Lite, things like that. But yesterday, there's one thing that they mentioned I would like to share with you. And I was checking this tablet S8. They actually have these features and I really want to share it with you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so because it's very useful when you have a tablet or a phone. You can actually work things together and I'm going to show it to you as well too. And then it's better for you to have an S Pen, okay, and start doing things with this S Pen. So let's get started. What is the newest features? So first of all, you have to have a same Samsung account. If you don't have a same Samsung account, it might not work. So now we're going to go into the Samsung Note. And then right here, we can actually go to the Samsung Note. But right now, on this phone, we are not going to turn on the Samsung Note. And I'm going to tell you why later. So now, our brand new Notes. And then we're going to be touching these colors, okay? So we're going to say like welcome, okay? But it's like, wow, so thick. Can I go a little bit like thinner? Okay, go a little thinner and then say welcome, okay? So you can see that I say welcome. Did you realize that on the top right here, I mean, you can check out your Samsung Notes, maybe there's no updates yet, but on my phone here, there's a new update. When you press this, and then it shows me two different phones, okay? So basically those two phones is the same Samsung account. And then when I click on S25 Ultra, which is this one here, you can see the whole toolbar end up right here. So I can use this toolbar on this side to change whatever I want, and then I can start writing. You can see that. So let's just say if I want something like different, I can just use this toolbar and then I can just start writing like this. So sometimes if you think about it, it's pretty cool. If you actually like in hurry, you don't have to go back and forth on the top. You could easily just go change color. Red is awesome, right? Super simple and easy, and you can change color just by tapping on here. So this is your color bar, okay? And there's actually a lot more. If you go down like right here, this is where you can see the rainbow color. So if you write, you can see this is the rainbow color. Can you see that? That's pretty cool by using just this. Or you can do like a hollow, right? Is bad. Whatever, right? So you can do something like that. And in addition, let's just say these are the letters that is like kind of like crooked. I think like right here. So if you tap this logo right here, I'm going to show it to you. If you tap this logo right here, okay, it will end up like this. And now when you tap alignment handwriting, they will align everything for you, okay? So let's just say if you are rushing and your handwriting is like slanted, you can use this button right here and then they will straighten everything out for you, which is pretty cool. In addition, if you want to write something within the like aisle, you can actually do this. So you can have a box right here, you can see that. And then you write everything here. So let's just say Calvin. Wow, this is so thick. Is amazing. Whatever, okay? So they will write everything right here. Doesn't matter how big the icon the letter is. This is just the icon right there. You can see that. Pretty cool, huh? And then in addition, you can actually use this letter, okay? And then you can change the color. You can see that, right? So let's just say if I want to change red, okay, red, so red, okay, red, okay, red. Pretty cool, huh? So whatever you want to change the color, you just need to tap that. I'm going to show it to you right now. It's actually right down here, this icon right there. And then you can choose your color And then now on the other page, you can just change whatever you want. Pretty cool. Now, let's just say when you finish everything, you just press this button here, it went back to the tablet, and then that's it. Now, the second features I would like to show you is the math software. So you go to the top here, turn on math software. Okay, let me zoom into you. It's called turn on math software. And then right here, you can write any math equations. Okay, let's just change the color. Okay, so 5 times 5 equals to 25. Divided by 2, 25. So they will give you the answer right away for you, no issue. Pretty cool, huh? So let's just say square, right? They will give you everything. So make sure that you 3-dot, turn on math software. Then basically this is it. So this one, Samsung Notes, it will apply to almost all the Samsung Galaxy device, and then especially on the newer device, you know, the FE, the Fold 7, the Flip 7, they all have these features. And now you can have this on your Samsung Galaxy phone, maybe S23 Ultra, 24, and 25. All right. Please subscribe my channel and share this video. And I hope this video helps you a little bit how Samsung Notes can turn to like this right now. And I will see you next time. Bye bye. Peace out.